Ay, kalambing. Kuku.
Ano may ano nila? What would you do with them? Ma, ano yung gawa mo with them?
Baka may need nila ng help. Mag-uwi naman yan sila in a bit.
I thought mag-go na sila.
Wala pa, hindi pa pala sila finish.
Ano, nag-paint pa sila?
Opo. Tada!
So stupid, there's been vines there the whole time. Oh my gosh, I need to jump on those vines. Let me get this insane run up and jump. Come on the vines.
Cute.
They can turn around and do a 360 and come right at us. I don't really know. Gabe, you ready? I think so. We're all over the ground. And obviously just went straight to the water. But like for a split second, it kind of flew. It was all in. That was freaking crazy. The Ultimate Collector's Edition 1880. This is one of the most famous LEGO builds I think we can all agree on that. The level of detail you can lift everything up and see the inside.
Both run down and a little bit. So instead of giving off the destruction vibe with TNT, let's look elsewhere for added details. And in this case, say we've got ourselves a pirate ship, but just a little low isn't selling enough sales. We'll stuff that very little crafting table and make some banners.
Wala ang gina-accept. Na-post na ko. Pending pa.
Ito yung presyo.
Wala ang uban, di gusto na yung presyo.
Sushi.
Hi. Hi.
Ilong!
100.
Ay, nagmahalo talaga silang lubos.
100. Ganon yung appreciation mo sa naging relationship mo. Kahit sa bandang huli, hindi kayo nagkasundo at nawasak ang relasyon. Opo. Bakit?
Ano nangyari?
Kasi kung before naman mangyari yung mga...
Bye, Kuku! Bye, Ku! Moderatso kang samal karon, sir.
Oh, diretso na. Tama ko sa siya na.
Okay.
Wait. The picture.
Ayun. Bye, Ashley.
Eventually activate, but that will not be enough to proxy is finally brought down by Quinn. So we end up 3 for